Today, I'd like to introduce the fully automated pellet production line that our customer has already put into operation. From the initial feeding conveyor, hammer mill set, buffer silos, mixer area, to the core pelleting unit, the supporting conveying machine is interconnected. Next, we will switch directly to the workshop production site. Raw materials are transported to the hammer mill. Efficient hammer mill, simple structure, high productivity, high versatility, safe to use. The properly pulverized powder is smoothly fed into the buffer silo. Buffer silos slow storage materials, stable feeding. The material is fed from the hopper into the mixer, mixed thoroughly, and then conveyed to the pellet mill via belt. Vertical ring die pellet mill, more durable, smoother feeding, more stable output, high particle quality, increased production. After the material enters the pellet mill, it is extruded and shaped by the ring dies and pressed rollers, and regular cylindrical pellets are continuously extruded and landed. We are producing pellet machines and complete lines already for 20 years. And our key machines are biomass pellet machines, wood crushers, wood mill hammers, and the complete lines. If any interest, feel free to connect us.